Today I'm going to show you how to hook up a 3-phase lens drive to our I/O controller. This video has, so if your lens drive already has one of these equipped and connected to the lens drive, we're just going to use the auto portion. I should already have it labeled out on your wire for you. It's auto, and these are just going to hook into the normally open one and the common one inside the I/O controller. And the colors do not matter on this as well. Put that back in, and that's how you hook up a 3-phase pump to our I/O controller.